Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you guys are well. I'm Riazuddin, I'm alim. I have an alimiyat from the Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Lucknow. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development course at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic and computer. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for imparting us wonderful platform, enlighten our brains and develop our personality. Respected teachers and my dear Islamic brothers, today I am here to talk about passion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Certainly I shall test you something of fear, hunger, loss of wealth, loss of fruit, but give glad tidings as a sabirin. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "As-sabru kanzun min kunuzil jannah, aw qal min kunuzil khair." Patience is the one of the treasure of heavens. Patience is a word all of us heard many times, but we should to know what it means. We should to know what Quran says about sabr. We should to know what required as us Muslimin. Patience is a tree whose root is bitter, but its fruit is very sweet. A man who is master of patience is master of everything else. Patience is a patience is a power of hoping. Patience is a power, hoping power. There are three major types of sabr as Muslimin are taught. The first is abstain requirement in order to fulfill the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And second, restraint in order to abstain from prohibitions of Allah. And the third is acceptance of Almighty when Almighty comes in our direction. So these are the three types of sabr. Any work you do, you should be always solve the problem. But problem cannot the captain of you, but you should the captain of problem and defeat the problem and succeed. So we should be thankful when Allah has blessed us and be patient when Allah has test us in some trouble. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much.